Janet Graberski and Goldsboro, North Carolina. I had several feral animals that had gotten under the house. They had made quite a mess under there and just shredded a whole bunch of stuff, and I needed to have the crawl space cleaned and sanitized. The ratings on the internet were higher. It looked like you guys had a lot more experience at it. I just was more attracted to the quality of the comments that have been left on the internet and your ratings. It's beautiful. It is really clean. You can eat under there if you wanted to. Wouldn't suggest it, but could. It's just absolutely beautiful under there. What I'm really enjoying is the pump. It was a little unnerving at first because I didn't realize the pump would make noise, but it's great. Especially during all this wet weather we've been having. I can hear when the pump comes on, and I know that it's taking the moisture out of from underneath the house, and that has just been a big plus. I would rate them a 10. Actually, I'd probably rate them a 15 if you could give me that.